All right, everyone, here's a quick video to show you how to access your Blackboard course. So when you get into MyCCC, if you look in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see your Blackboard option. And yours will look a little different than mine. Your courses will come up and there'll only be one Math 970. So you click on that, and then this is what it should look like. So there's a few options in this left-hand panel. I'll go through them really quick right now. Zoom Room is how you're going to meet with me virtually if you have any questions. So there's the password. And then if you want to join a Zoom room with me so we can talk via the computer, you would just click on that link and then open a Zoom meeting, and then you'll see me. All right. The syllabus is pretty self-explanatory. We're going to go over a little bit of this on Friday, but that's how you can find your syllabus to answer some questions that you're going to have on your first homework, which you'll get on Friday. And then the last one is lecture videos. So if you just click on lecture videos, there we go. How to sign up for Lumen That's what I was talking about today. So this is a step-by-step video that I made to show you how to sign up for your Lumen course. So you can watch that. That's your assignment for Wednesday to get signed up for Lumen. And you can try the first homework assignment that I have. There's two open, but give that first one a shot. That's the intro to Lumen. It's pretty easy, but it'll get you kind of used to how some of the problems are going to work. All right? So you give me a shout. Send me an email if you have any questions. If you're really having some trouble getting into that Lumen account, then we'll take you into the classroom and we'll go have someone come and sign up in person so you can see how it's done. But watch this video first, and then it's very self-explanatory, so I don't think you'll have any problems. All right, remember, Wednesday sign up for Lumen no class. Friday, I'll see you in class. All right, take care, and I'll see you Friday.